Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and in this video, you'll discover the shocking truth about why your expensive niacinamide products aren't working, the optimal concentration that research actually supports, and the exact ingredient combinations that transform mature skin. Stop falling for skincare marketing and learn the professional approach to using niacinamide for real, lasting results. You're throwing money down the drain and you don't even know it. Right now, sitting on your bathroom counter, it's probably a bottle that says 20% niacinamide or 15% niacinamide serum. If you bought it because everyone said niacinamide was the miracle ingredient, the influencer with perfect skin swore by it. The reviews were glowing. You've been using it for months, maybe even a year, and your skin looks exactly the same. Here's what nobody wants to tell you. You've been completely scammed by the skincare industry. Not because niacinamide doesn't work, but because they've convinced you that, as usual, more equals better. They've sold you products with concentrations so high they're actually irritating your skin, while keeping you in the dark about what actually works. I see this in my practice every single week. Women in their 40s and 50s frustrated beyond belief, wondering why their expensive niacinamide serums aren't delivering the results they promised. They're doing everything the beauty gurus told them to do, and they're getting nowhere. The truth? You've been using niacinamide completely wrong. The concentration is wrong. The combinations are wrong. And worst of all, you're expecting it to work miracles all by itself. Today, I'm going to expose exactly what the skincare companies don't want you to know about niacinamide, and show you how to actually use this ingredient to transform your skin. Let me guess your current routine. You cleanse, you apply your high-concentration niacinamide serum, maybe add a moisturizer, then wonder why you're not getting the glowing, poreless skin you see on Instagram. Here's your first wake-up call. That 20% niacinamide serum you're so proud of. It's doing absolutely nothing except potentially irritating your skin. Every single study that proves niacinamide works was done with concentrations between 2% and 5%. Not 10%, not 15%, and definitely not 20%. But here's what really makes my blood boil. The skincare industry knows this. They know that slapping 20% niacinamide on a bottle will make you buy it, even though anything above 5% is completely unnecessary and potentially harmful. I had a client, Sarah, 42 years old, who came to me after spending over $300 on various niacinamide products. She had dark spots from years of sun damage, oily skin, and enlarged pores. She'd been using a 15% niacinamide serum for 8 months. And her skin looked exactly the same as when she started. Want to know why? Because she was treating niacinamide like it's some kind of skincare superhero that can fix everything alone. Newsflash, it can't. Niacinamide is what we call a jack of all trades, master of none. It helps with everything but excels at nothing. You've been set up to fail from day one, and I'm tired of watching women waste their money on products that will never give them the results they're desperately seeking. Here's what niacinamide actually is and what it actually does, because clearly nobody else is going to tell you the truth. Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. It's genuinely one of the most well-researched skincare ingredients we have. It reduces oil production, helps with dark spots by interfering with melanosome transfer, has anti-inflammatory properties, and strengthens your skin barrier. It's also pregnancy safe, which makes it incredibly valuable. But here's the critical part everyone gets wrong. Niacinamide is a supporting actor, not the star of the show. Think of your skincare routine like a movie. Niacinamide is that reliable character actor who makes everyone else look better. But it's never going to carry the entire film alone. You need hero ingredients: retinoids for anti-aging and acne, vitamin C for antioxidant protection, salicylic acid for oil control, azelaic acid for redness, The concentration myth is destroying your results. Research consistently shows that 2 to 5% niacinamide gives you maximum benefits with minimal irritation. When companies push higher concentrations, they're banking on your assumption that more must be better. It's not. It's just marketing. Here's another truth bomb. The product format doesn't matter as much as you think. Niacinamide is incredibly stable. Whether it's in your serum, moisturizer, or even your sunscreen, it's going to work. You don't need 5 different products all containing niacinamide. But what you do need to understand is strategic pairing. This is where the magic happens. And this is exactly what I taught Sarah when she came to me completely defeated by her skincare failures. Instead of using that expensive 15% niacinamide serum alone, we created a targeted routine that paired 5% niacinamide with specific active ingredients based on her primary concerns. Within 6 weeks, her dark spots were visibly lighter, her pores appeared smaller, and her oily T-zone was finally under control. The ultimate niacinamide strategy isn't about finding the perfect product. It's about creating the perfect partnerships. Let me break down exactly how to pair niacinamide with hero ingredients for each major skin concern. For dark spots and hyperpigmentation, this is where most of my over 35 clients struggle the most. Niacinamide alone will barely make a dent in established dark spots. You need to attack pigmentation at 3 levels: prevent new pigment formation, stop pigment transfer, and remove existing pigment. Pair your 5% niacinamide with a retinoid. This is non-negotiable. The retinoid handles the heavy lifting by increasing cell turnover and reducing pigment production, while niacinamide supports the process and reduces irritation. Add vitamin C in the morning for additional tyrosinase inhibition. This combination will actually fade dark spots, not just maintain them. For acne and oily skin, especially if you're dealing with adult acne in your 30s and beyond, pair niacinamide with salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is the only acid that's oil-soluble, meaning it can penetrate deep into your pores and remove the oil that's causing your breakouts. Niacinamide reduces oil production and calms inflammation. Together, they're incredibly effective for sensitive skin and barrier repair. This is crucial if you're using active ingredients. Pair niacinamide with ceramides. Niacinamide boosts your skin's natural ceramide production, while topical ceramides provide immediate barrier support. This combination prevents the irritation and dryness that sabotages so many skincare routines. For redness and rosacea, pair niacinamide with azelaic acid. This is hands down the most effective over-the-counter combination for persistent redness. Azelaic acid has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, while niacinamide supports barrier function and reduces sensitivity. Here's what happened when I implemented this approach with Gil, a 38-year-old client who'd been struggling with combination skin, dark spots, and sensitivity, instead of the 6 different niacinamide products she'd been using. We simplified her routine to 3 key products: a 5% niacinamide serum, a retinoid for evening use, and a vitamin C serum for mornings. Within 2 months, her skin was completely transformed. The dark spots from her 20s were finally fading. Her oily T-zone was balanced, and she wasn't experiencing the irritation that had plagued her previous routines. Now, let's talk about how to actually implement this strategy without destroying your skin in the process. First, concentration guidelines that actually work. Start with 5% niacinamide maximum. I don't care what concentration you're currently using. If it's higher than 5%, you're wasting product and potentially irritating your skin. The only exception is if your current high-concentration product also contains soothing ingredients like hyaluronic acid or panthenol. But even then, 5% would give you the same results. Application timing is crucial. Niacinamide plays well with almost everything, which makes it incredibly versatile. You can use it morning and evening. If you're using vitamin C in the morning, apply the vitamin C first on clean skin. Wait 2 minutes, then apply niacinamide. Evening routine: cleanse, apply niacinamide, wait 3 minutes, then apply your retinoid. For those dealing with acne, apply niacinamide first, then salicylic acid on problem areas only. This prevents the overdrying that makes acne worse. Here's a critical point about purging versus irritation that nobody explains properly. Niacinamide itself doesn't typically cause purging because it's not increasing cell turnover. If you're breaking out from niacinamide, that's usually irritation from too high a concentration or a damaged skin barrier. Real purging happens with retinoids and acids, and it should resolve within 6 to 8 weeks. Product selection made simple. Ignore the marketing claims about percentages. Look for products with 2 to 5% niacinamide that also contain supporting ingredients. A good niacinamide serum should have hyaluronic acid for hydration, or zinc for additional oil control, or panthenol for soothing properties. Timing your results realistically. This is where most people give up too early. Barrier repair effects from niacinamide happen within 2 to 4 weeks. Oil control improvements show up around week 4 to 6. Dark spot improvement takes 8 to 12 weeks minimum. And that's only when properly paired with other actives. Remember, consistency beats perfection. It's better to use a simple routine with the right combinations every day than to have a complicated routine. It can only follow sporadically. Even with the right approach, some of you are going to hit roadblocks. Let me address the most common issues I see in my practice. If you're experiencing irritation from niacinamide, this usually means one of 3 things. Your concentration is too high, your skin barrier is compromised, or you're layering it incorrectly with other actives. The solution isn't to give up on niacinamide, it's to step back and rebuild properly. Drop to 2% concentration and focus on barrier repair for 2 weeks before adding any other actives. Use a gentle cleanser, your low concentration niacinamide, and a ceramide-rich moisturizer. Nothing else. Once your skin calms down, you can slowly reintroduce other ingredients. For those not seeing results after 8 weeks, you're probably using niacinamide as a solo act. This ingredient needs partners to shine. Evaluate your biggest skin concern and make sure you're pairing niacinamide with the appropriate hero ingredient for that issue. Special considerations for mature skin. If you're over 45, niacinamide becomes even more valuable because it supports your skin's declining ability to produce ceramides and maintain barrier function. However, you'll need stronger partners. A prescription retinoid will give you better results than over-the-counter options when paired with niacinamide. For stubborn melasma or very dark spots, niacinamide should be part of your routine. But you'll likely need professional treatments like chemical peels or prescription hydroquinone to see significant improvement. The biggest mistake I see is impatience. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. The clients who get the most dramatic results are the ones who commit to consistent, strategic routines for months, not weeks. Stop chasing the next miracle ingredient and master the ones that actually work. Here's your action plan starting today. Evaluate your current niacinamide products. If they're over 5%, you're overcomplicating things. Find a simple 2 to 5% niacinamide serum and pair it strategically based on your primary skin concern. Dark spots, add a retinoid. Acne, add salicylic acid. Sensitivity, add ceramides. Redness, add azelaic acid. Give it 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use before evaluating results. Take photos now so you can track your progress objectively. Most importantly, stop falling for skincare marketing that promises instant miracles. The only instant glow is the skincare industry bank account. The best results come from understanding how ingredients actually work and using them strategically over time. Your skin didn't develop its current issues overnight, and it won't transform overnight either. But with the right approach, you can see real, lasting improvements that don't require constantly buying new products or chasing the latest trends. If this video helped you understand niacinamide better and avoid the expensive mistakes most people make, give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I share evidence-based skincare advice that actually works without the marketing nonsense. Your skin deserves better than guesswork and false promises. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.